Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Python tutorial for beginner. In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can find total number from user input in Python. So here let's go and declare a variable, let's say number 1 equal to, here we are going to get a input from the user. So for it, we need to say over here input, but we want to take number as a input. So if you want to take number as a input, you need to say here int. Then inside the int, you need to say over here input. So if you just say over here int, it means you will be able to take number as a input. So here in the input, let's say here, write your first number. Let me give a space and give this clone sign, and let me just copy this and I'm going to paste it over here. So let's say this on will be number 2, and here we're going to say write your second number. After that, we want to find the total sum of these two numbers, but before that, let me just run this. So if I now click on this run button, let's say here 10, press enter, let's say here 32, press enter, the program finished. So here we're going to declare a variable, let's say over here sum, or let's say here total equal to, it will be number 1 plus number 2. And after that, we're going to say print, then we'll say total hello is, then we need to give a comma here. Make sure to give a comma, and after that, we're going to mention this total variable. So we'll say one here total. So what will happen is then when the user give a input, let's say 10 plus 20, so it will find the total sum, which will be 30. 10 plus 20 will be 30, and then it will print this. Total value is 30. So right now, let me just run this. Let's say over here 10. The first input is 10. Write your first number 10. Write your second number is 20. Press enter. There you can see total value is 30. So this is for the integer value. Now let's say you want to get float value. So what is float? Float number are those where you will say that point like 3.1416 or 2.20. Those are float number. And if you want to take float number as an input, then you need to say over here list of int, you need to say over here float, and we'll also say over here float. So right now, if we just keep the float input and print the total number, it will give us, okay, let me just show you, it will be more clear to you. Let's say here 10.269, then press enter. We're going to say 3.582, then press enter. There you can see it is giving us a float number, but the value is too big. So we can just make it smaller. Let's say we only want to get two number after the point. So for it, what we can do is, let me just remove this comma from here, and before the total, we'll give a percentage sign, and inside this double quotation, we are going to give percentage sign, and we are going to say over here 0.2f. It means it will show us only two number after that point. So right now, let me just run this again, and here we are going to say 3.258. then 4.26, press enter, and there you can see it is only showing us only two number after the point. So this is how you can get input from user and find the total value in Python. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If you have any question or any problem, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.